Good morning, everyone. I'm here with Davi and Convicted Worm.
It's Convict Worm.
Convict Worm, I'm sorry. We are at Animal Kingdom today for Davi's actual birthday. If you haven't seen part 1 of her birthday weekend vlog series, go see it.
Because it's not up this year.
Okay, that one would come up before this one. So we're going to Rainforest Cafe, behind me, for breakfast today. This is our second time coming for breakfast. And it's gonna be me, Davi, Mateo, Christian, Sadie, and Davi's family. So we're gonna have a fun time. Let's go in. All right, me, Sadie, and Davi all got avocado toast. It comes with fruit,
I didn't think it'd be
2
that
pieces
big.
of toast. It's a lot. I got a side of bacon. Sadie got a side of potatoes. They're really good this time because I remember not liking them last time, but they're pretty good. Really well seasoned. Not crispy, but they're well seasoned.
They're not well done.
No.
They saw that note in class. They said, "You're a fucking."
They said the microwave only has one setting.
You're at fucking Rainforest Cafe.
Right.
The microwave is not gonna cook them more.
Christian got an omelet. Mateo got chicken
waffle
waffles.
I'm so scared right now.
Cafe, we have a very special birthday in the house.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, we made it to you. We made it something special. We made it just for you. Happy birthday from Rainforest Cafe. Hey, happy birthday.
This posture is crazy. Sorry, I got scared, you guys. My stomach hurts. Woo! Yay, Rainforest Cafe! Woohoo! Oh, I was so worried you got lost in the storm. Okay, we're headed into the park. That was a good meal. I've liked both of my Rainforest Cafe breakfasts. And this one was probably better. The avocado toast was like, that was like $17, $18. It was a really good value. You got 2 really big pieces and some really nice fresh fruit too. I would definitely get that again. That was a really good deal. Right? Isn't it nice over here? Sadie and I pin traded. We're kind of matching. It's true. Oh, wow.
Euphoria Season 3 began filming. That picture's gonna be so scary. I'm so confused. Are you vlogging or taking a picture? He's bisexual. He's coming out today.
Sorry.
He's regret it after she couldn't pay back that lady.
We now say scurry your way on over to the doors to your left, where a cast member like myself will be happy to assist. Our cast does ask that there be no eating, drinking, flash photography, video recording, or cell phone use of any kind.
It smells like cat pee in here.
Now on to the
little less. Perfect. Hi, hello, and welcome. Welcome to our show.
Oh, I made an honorary thought.
Honorary what? They're our biggest enemy.
No, that's not true. They're my friends.
Friends? Get this loser out of my sight. Bring in the evidence. Friends don't exterminate friends, do they? Still don't get it? Well then watch this. You humans have always seen us as monsters. If you had it your way, you would destroy us all. But you never will, because we outnumber you 200 million to 1. Maybe it's time you honorary bugs got a taste of your own medicine. This means war! Back off, spiders!
Little things. See ya! Hey! Hey, little fella! Where should you be?
There?
That's right. Good bug. Good little bug.
Your attention, please. We ask that all on exit safely.
Babies. Sorry, Mama.
Are you guys leaving?
I said.
I traded. I traded for a Haunted Mansion gargoyle pin. Sadie got little brother from
Mulan.
I traded again over at Nemo for this carrot pin. This is so cute.
Getting this on my phone right now, or my Apple Watch.
Whoa!
6 years ago,
Trip to Bay Lake. Wow.
We got a construction update of Dinorama, and by update I mean literally nothing has happened. They have taken down some of Triceratops spin when we get over there, but
Is it just me, or did the floats used to be better?
what?
Like,
Oh,
when they
the
put up, when they would
yes.
put stuff up like this. It would be
Now
like
it's literally
beams,
just
and they would
like-
have,
yep.
the floats, because April would take pictures for her Instagram.
Yeah,
And
and
now it's just like look beyond.
like
those.
I remember when Seven Dwarfs was closed and they had
Oh
all
my
the
god, and
characters.
they had the look,
Yeah.
the little look-in thing. God.
Yeah. Yeah, this is really sad because it's like this would be so easy to put like
Scroll.
Dinorama things
What
on here.
happened to, like, if you can dream it, you can do it.
Now this has gotten. Oh, if I can see it. I'm not that tall. So sad. They took all the signs down over there. I'm gonna die. That billboard's still up. Not much different. This is the main thing, basically. Time for a ride on Dinosaur.
I have an idea.
What?
Get it so it looks like he's walking through the exhibit.
Oh,
over
you're
here.
so right.
At the very end of the Cretaceous period. That's where you're going today.
I've arrived, it seems, just in time to correct a little misstatement.
Dr. Marsh.
That is
They're playing Ali and AJ Walking on Sunshine, and I'm getting a cold brew float at Dino-Bite Snacks. Here is going to be that cold brew float that I got over at Dino-Bite Snacks. This was $6.91, and it's literally just cold brew with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, but this is new. I wanted to try it. They've got this like new drum show out here outside of Dinoland. Normally, when they first debuted this after Dinorama closed, it was right next to where Dinorama is. Yes, just like that. But now it's out here in front of Dinoland. This is definitely a better spot for it. It was a little cramped over there. I love this. That is so cute. Okay, we went to Flame Tree Barbecue. I got the pulled pork cheese fries. Davi got the A-Maize-ing Munch Fries, which is like street corn fries with popcorn for some reason.
He can do both, but he needs to do both.
Davi's fries were good. I like the kick from the sauce mixed with the cheese. And then these are my favorite, always. Huh? That's so sad. He dropped his stuff. This is crazy. Okay, we're headed out of Animal Kingdom. Goodbye, Davi.
It was a wild day.
Happy 23rd birthday. And we can't wait for 24.
Wait, I'm gonna do it.
I can a little bit. Wait, can I do it at the same time? Go birds! Go birds!
I don't know if that was actually an eagle.
Is that not the eagle?
It is, yeah. Did she say anything back?
No,
she's on her phone.
Oh my god.
Kids these days always on their phone.